I can't tell you how many customers over the years have come in and turned this little handle. Now when you turn this little handle, it turns the screw inside the head, which is supposed to open and close your pulleys here and make your speed change. But if the machine is not on, then it's going to cause some damage. And we've told a lot of people that, and we've had to fix a lot of them over the years. And as you can see, we're going to show you this one, we had to do the same thing.
Quite often, the handles turn too far, creating the pin to break. It's a very sensitive mechanism, but it can be easily fixed, taken apart, and a new pin put in.
Now, if you're looking for a machine that you know is going to be ready, running, and available, give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website for all our different Bridgeports, all our different milling machines available. And we'll make sure that the one you get is exactly what you need. Good luck. Thank you very much.